Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Richland County, southern Ashland County, eastern Morrow County, Knox County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lexington to near Sparta, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Ashland, Mount Vernon, Ontario, Lexington, Loudonville, Fredericktown, Gambier, Utica, Belleville, Centerburg, Danville, Hayesville, Chesterville, Sparta, Waterford, Butler, Perrysville, Lucas, and Jeromesville. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.